I will talk about how can you find private posts on your CC app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Or found this list here. All you have to do inverse, you just go down here, you click here on profile. Down here you just click on it. So when you click on profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you just click here on private. Here just click on it. So when you click here on private, it's going to take you to this list here. Then here we find our private list, or private posts you add for images and the music. Like you see here, I have nothing yet, but if you have it, you will find it here in this list. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.